Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's a Saturday, that means we're out wild camping. Today, I picked somewhere totally random on the map, a place called Loch Scoly. It's in Perthshire, it's in the Griffin Forest in Perthshire. So, I parked up the car about 2.5 miles away. The total hike in is 5.5 miles I believe, so some of it's tough going, it's a bit steep uphill through the forest. I've had to take a couple of breaks because I'm not as fit as I used to be, but it should be good. So I'm going to bring you back once I get to the loch. Welcome back. I took a wrong turning. I think I've walked about 11 kilometres. I started this walk at 5 o'clock. It's now just getting close to 8:45. But eventually I arrived at Loch Scoly. I am knackered. I need to get some fitness training in. I said I was carrying that 85 litre rucksack. I was carrying wood and I had another bag. I'm exhausted, so I'm looking forward to getting into this. It's not an ideal place. A lot of the ground around this loch's boggy, but it's the middle of nowhere. I haven't seen another person for hours, so it's perfect for what I'm after. I'll just give you a wee look at the loch. Hey guys, I've just decided to get away from the bank of the loch. This is too boggy, it's too damp, so I've moved a bit back into this sort of forest area. So it's perfect. It's a bit mossy underground, but it's dry. Lots of slugs everywhere right enough, but we'll get on with it. Hey guys, that's me set up a tent, the trusty Eurohike Tamar 2. I think it's going to be nightfall soon. It's not meant to be windy tonight or rainy, it's a still night, it's about 14 degrees, so I won't bother with the guy lines right now, but I am choking for a beer, so I'm going to go down to the bank of the loch, get a few beers, get a campfire on the go and just relax, and I'll bring you back. Kill the buckfast in nature's fridge. Couple of cans for later on. By the time we get back to this campfire, voiceover time, guys. This next scene, for some reason, there's no audio. I was really tired, obviously, after hiking 11 kilometres in. I think it took me about 4.5, 5 hours. Really tired. Before this scene, I'd actually just tripped over my knee onto a rock, and I really hurt my knee. So I was tired. I made my toasties. I put my wine and a couple of beers in the water, chilling, as you can see, and sat down, started chatting. I think I was telling a few jokes, telling some old army stories, and yeah, basically there's no audio to this. I did bring, straight after this scene as well, I filmed some more stuff, but my battery went dead. My battery on my phone was at 37%. For some reason it went dead. I brought 2 power banks with me, but I didn't bring the correct charging lead, so I was a bit gutted at that. That's why this video is probably a little bit shorter than my normal videos, because I was a bit wary using too much battery up. Couldn't even, I usually like to listen to music on my phone at night time, but couldn't even do that. But yeah, Loch Scoly, beautiful place. Bit of a hike in, especially if you've got a lot of weight. I'm not the most lightweight camper. I had an 85 litre rucksack and it was full, and as I said, I had wood and I had a rubber bag as well. So yeah, I was really tired. Don't know what I'd done with the audio, but yeah, I had a brilliant wee night, just sitting by the campfire and having a drink and just chilling out, away from everything, away from the world. Right guys, I'll let you get back to the video. Good morning guys. Yeah, nice wee relaxing night by the campfire there. My battery actually ran out last night. I forgot my charger, but for some reason this morning I've got 28%, so thought I'd do a little bit before I go. Woke up this morning, had a cup of tea. This place is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, the rain's starting to come down now, so I'm going to put the tent away and start hiking back towards the car park. Not looking forward to it, but yeah. I woke up this morning, and where I'm filming just now, it's like up a little hill, up some rocks, sort of like a cliff face. Climbed up here. Perfect places for camping up here, with beautiful views over the loch. Where we were last night was good, but up here would be perfect. So if I come here again, this is where I'm going to film. I'll just, I'll give you a little view of the loch, and if there's anything else, I'll show you on the way back. But if not, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Just want to say a big shout out to the usual people: Willie Scottish Outdoors, Loch in the Wild Side, Monty Outdoors. Just want to say a special thank you to Monty Outdoors. He's taking a wee time out for YouTube just now, but I want to wish him all the best. And yeah, thanks to everybody. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Gives me the motivation to go out and do more. Right guys, thanks. As usual guys, leave no trace. Right, that's me heading home. I think I found a shortcut, so hopefully it's not going to be as long a hike in. But yeah, see you in the next one.